Dear friends, we are trying to understand ellipse by using or with the help of certain examples. So these are the problems on ellipse. In class 11, we are studying 11th lesson conic section, and we have the next example. Find the coordinate of the foci. So we are asked to find the coordinates of the foci, then vertices, the length of the major axis, the minor axis, the eccentricity, and the latus rectum of the ellipse. Now watch carefully. The question asked is x square upon 25 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. So if you convert this question, it will be something like this. Equation of ellipse will be equation of ellipse will be x square upon, please note, it is 25 means 5 square plus y square upon 9 is 3 square is equal to 1. So if you compare this equation with the standard form of equation of ellipse, so comparing with standard form of equation of ellipse, we have x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. We have a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Please note, the denominator of x is bigger, so major axis is along x-axis. So ellipse is of this form, that is major axis is along x-axis, and the vertex, this is a0 and this is minus a0. This point is b0, this point is minus b0. Sorry, x coordinate is 0, b, and y coordinate is 0 minus b. Now we asked to find the coordinate of the foci. So focus is equal to c square is equal to a square minus b square. It means this is equal to 25 minus 9. So c square is equal to 16. It means c is equal to 4, plus or minus 4. So the focus is at minus 4 0 and 4 0. So f1, the coordinates of foci are coordinates of foci are minus 4 0 and 4 0. The next thing is asked vertices. So vertices along the major axis, wherever the ellipse cuts the major axis is vertices. So if this is v1 and v2, we have vertices, but coordinates of vertices are this is a is 5, so this will be minus 5 0 and 5 0. So we have got the coordinate of vertices. Then the length of major axis, please note, length of major axis, that is from here to here, that is equal to twice a. So length of major axis is is equal to twice a, that is equal to 2 into 5, that is equal to 10 units. Then minor axis, length of minor axis is twice b. So that is equal to, b is 3, so you will get 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 units. The next point asked to us is the eccentricity. Eccentricity E is equal to eccentricity E is equal to C upon A. So this will be equal to, eccentricity will be C is 4 upon 5. That is equal to 0.8. Then we are asked to find next latus rectum, the length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. L is equal to twice b square upon a square. So this is equal to 2 times b square is 2 times b is 3 square upon a square is 5 square. Sorry, upon a, not a square, upon 5. That is equal to 9 to the 18 upon 5. So length of latus rectum is 18 upon 5 units. Dear friends, we have next equation. We are trying to understand ellipse with the help of certain examples. We have example number 10. Find the coordinates of the foci. So we are asked to find the coordinates of the foci. The vertices, the length of major axis, minor axis, eccentricity of the ellipse, and the equation of ellipse is given to us as 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. So equation of ellipse is 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. Now please note, we know the standard equation of the ellipse is in the form x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So please note, right hand side must be 1. So in order to arrange this equation in this form, we divide the equation by 36. So divide this equation by 36. Divide equation by 36. So you will get 9x square upon 36 plus 4y square upon 36 is equal to 36 upon 36. So this means this is reducible. We will get x square upon 9 4s are 36 plus y square upon 4 9s are 36 is equal to 36 1s are 36. So we have got the equation in standard form. Now that is in this form. But please note, here the denominator of y square is bigger. So the equation is of the form x square upon b square plus y square upon a square is equal to 1. Here major axis is along y axis. Major axis is along y axis. So as denominator of y square is bigger, major axis is along y axis. So this will be x square upon 2 square plus y square upon 3 square is equal to 1. It means a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. And if you want to draw the diagram of the ellipse, it will be of something like this. That is, major axis is along y axis and minor axis is along x axis. So this is y axis, x axis, and the coordinates are, this point is 0 3, this is 0 minus 3, this point is 2 0. Please note, this point is minus 2 0, and axis is, major axis is along y axis, so the focus lies on y axis, and hence we have the coordinates of the focus is equal to c square is equal to a square minus b square. So c square is equal to a square, I will write upside, c square is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore c square is equal to a is 3, 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. So C is equal to root of 5. It means since it lies on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. So the coordinates of foci are, it is on y-axis, so x coordinate is 0. We will have 0, root 5 and 0 minus root 5. So this is 0 root 5 and this point is 0 minus root of 5. So we have got the coordinate of the foci. Now the coordinate of the vertices. Coordinates of vertices, that is where the major axis cuts the ellipse. So major axis cuts the ellipse at 0, 3 and 0 minus 3. Please again note, major axis is along y-axis, so the x coordinates are 0. Then we are asked to find the length of major axis. Length of major axis is 2 times a, that is equal to 2 root 5, and length of minor axis is twice b, that is equal to 2 times, major axis is 3, so it will be 2 times 3, that is equal to 6 units, and minor axis is 2 times 2, that is equal to 4 units. 6 units and 4 units. Then we are asked to find the eccentricity. So eccentricity of ellipses. Eccentricity of ellipse. E is equal to C upon A. So that is equal to, value of C is root 5 and A's value is 3. So eccentricity is equal to root 5 upon 3.